Welcome everyone. So in this video you guys will learn everything that I do behind the scenes of Yak Productions and also for my job at LA Digital Productions. I'm a full-time editor. I love to edit. Editing is one of my favorite things to do. But in this episode you'll see all of the things I do behind the scenes with the family and also before I went on this trip to Maui. So I hope you guys enjoy. And of course, if you want to learn how to edit videos just like this, you can go to my website at yashuakhan.com/yakacademia, where I teach you all the ins and outs of editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yo, what's happening, people? We're at LA Digital Recordings today. As usual, y'all know the deal. We about to come in here and we about to set it off. Nah, I'm just kidding, I ain't gonna set it off. Let's do it. There we go. Yes, sir, Leland. We got Brian right there, you know what I'm saying? This is what the studio looks like for today. We have things change almost every week, and this is his studio, his office. You know, we have Denise here. You wanna say hey to the camera, Denise? Yeah. This is the main stage. Over there was the photography studio or stage or whatever you guys want to call it. Rotate this way. Now we in the kitchen. This is where all of it happens, you know what I'm saying? This is where all the good food come in, you know what I'm saying? All the good food. And then here was the green room. So this is the green room. You want a feature in it? I can tag you. Yes. So then we have Tasha up in the building, one of the greatest makeup artists to ever live. You know what I'm saying? LA Digital is freaking sick, man. And this place is so, oh, let me show you the bathroom real quick. I almost forgot to show you the bathroom too. You know, this is where all the business go down, you know what I'm saying? So where it all go down at. There I go, what's up, y'all? Hey. And, oh yeah, the room too. It's a little closet that we,
here. Your clothes in here. We got steamer. Everything is in this place.
Everything is thought of.
And it's the actual green room.
Yes, exactly. It's an actual green room. It's freaking sick. We're trying to just like, we gotta save on electricity, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is a mini tour of the spot. We're still remodeling the kitchen. We built this whole thing from the ground up. I helped a little bit during the process, cutting the wood and doing a 2x4, bringing the wood up. I'm gonna show you the B-roll. That's how I was looking. And now let me rotate and show you guys the other half of the studio. Damn. I mean, like, damn, just look at that. That look good. That's the main entrance, actually. That right there is the main entrance. You come up. Tyrone here has honestly thought everything through. His favorite color is purple. I'm gonna show you guys him soon when he comes back. But we have posters of everything relating to which room we're in. We have this Studio A, editing room, my boy Makai. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. My boy Makai in here editing. I'm about to get to editing too, but before I do, I want to just give y'all a quick tour of everything, of what it's looking like. This DJI that I'm recording on is solid. This is the equipment room. This is where we store the cameras, sound equipment, etc. So this is the main man himself, Kevin. He runs Studio A. This is where we do voice work, and he is a wizard on when it comes to Logic. Just look at that. Look at that. Damn.
It's crazy, but it's not that crazy.
And this is actually what it looks like inside. Just to give you guys a show of scale, this is me and this is the sound room. It gets really quiet in here until people start speaking. You know what I'm saying? Voiceovers, people start doing voice work, start getting loud in here. So that's the quick tour of where we at. Really relaxing in here. These couches are super comfortable too, I'll tell you. And then of course, for those who want to game a little bit, turn this on. There we go. We got like dummy games on. Check it out. And that's the quick tour of the spot. Once Tyrone come in, we're gonna get that on camera too. I'm gonna just vlog the whole day. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not just vlog the whole day? It's hot in here. Now I'm gonna get back to editing. I'm gonna be stationed at for a little bit, editing some social media content, and then also dropping that social media content onto this computer where we upload social media content. And yeah, so that is what we doing today. I'm gonna do my best to record the whole day. So y'all with me. So I began editing on the red carpet events that we shot previously to export that into smaller videos so that we can put that on the TVs or even use it at the end of the shoots that we do. After a while, editing gets a little tiring, but you gotta lock in and just knock it out. So I decided to show Tyrone, who was the owner of the studio, the cut that we had, and it turned out to be really good. It's lunchtime. We got sandwiches today. Sandwiches. Nice. For those who don't know, apple juice is my favorite juice, period. Maybe not this one. I think Martinelli's might be better than Mott's, but apple juice, Yak loves the apple juice, man. Wife knows. Apple juice is the way, man.
I know, but is it the full size? What's the quality?
And when we came back from lunch, I seen that the boys were working on the glide cam with our Pocket 6K camera. Man, the footage with that thing comes out so good.
Ran out of ink, but we got some more, so let's replace that.
So then I began replacing all the ink cartridges within this printer, and I find therapy in almost anything like this. It was a really nice experience, and it came out really good. The printer started printing out all the stuff that we needed, and it looked really good. And then it was showtime. The interviews were ready to go, and it was time to interview one of our show hosts, Christina, here at LA Digital Productions with Hot in Hollywood TV. So we did the interviews, and after the interviews, I ended up doing an interview personally with Tyrone for his shows. And then the editing commenced. I was editing all of the shows, and we were able to knock out about 4 different videos in that day, all for social media. So yeah, that was the day.
And we on the way home. That was how life is at the studio.
Now let's start day 2 off with breakfast with me and my wife. Now we go to the Gathering Spot for breakfast. The Gathering Spot has amazing breakfast. So then we both head to work. And one thing y'all should know about me is I love rock music. If you guys have any rock suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will most definitely listen to them.
It's time to get some gas. Gas. This thing is freaking weird, bro. Woo! Woo! Now we're here. And we're at the studio. What's up?
I got started with my day by filling out the calendar for the next 2 months. Man, one thing y'all should know about me is I love a nice organized board. And then I got right to editing. Editing, like I said, man, I can do this all day. I'm doing it right now as we speak. So I basically edited that whole day, and then right afterwards, it was time to pick up the wife for dinner.
Now, babe and I are on our way to the best ramen place in all of LA.
Ramen Melrose. So I had the chicken ramen with the chicken broth. My wife had the chicken curry, and we also ordered in the middle a soft-shelled crab, and this was the first time that we ever had it, and man, was it super good. Now check out Ramen Melrose here on Vine and Melrose in Los Angeles, California. Now this is absolutely not a sponsorship. We just really like the spot, so check it out.
Ramen Melrose. Melrose Ramen.
Now fast forward to the next day, I went with my family to go to the Jackson Market here in Culver City. Now their pizza is made fresh. It is a nice hidden gem here in Culver City. A lot of people don't know about it because it was a house that was turned into a restaurant. They have so many pizzas, and all of these vines that you see are real grapevines. You can pick those if you wanted to. The vibes are really nice here, and we came here to celebrate my mom's birthday, and man, I highly recommend this place. And of course we had our bro here show us how he hand makes these pizzas, and let me show you guys the process.
This keeps it from sticking.
Yes, sir. Nice. Keep the dough from sticking. Nice sourdough crust. Let it ferment for about 3 days before we use it. Give it a nice tuck and roll. Get that ball shape going. So you get a pretty perfect circle. Then we hit it from the back. You don't want to, no pun intended, we gonna want to close that baby up, smack it down.
There we go.
Just like that.
Nice, nice. Woo! Nice. There we go. He in the zone, he locked in. Woo! Woo! Got that. Nice.
So while our pizzas were in the oven, I went in the back to go to the market that's in there too. They sell sandwiches, chips, drinks, and so much more. But yeah, I went in there to go check it out, and it was honestly really big. It was a lot of stuff that they sold in there. And once I came back, the pizza was ready.
Oh, what? Oh, man.
And yes, here at the Jackson Market, all the pepperoni here was chicken pepperoni. We do not eat pork. And yes, I do have pineapple on my pizza. Pineapple on pizza is one of the best things in the world. I will die on the hill if I need to. Y'all tripping if y'all don't like pineapple on pizza, bro. And now it was time for dessert. I believe this was some key lime pie that we had. We had a lot of individual ones. And yeah, man, that crust was so good with that key lime taste. It was fire. It was fire.
It's good.
And then we decided to walk it off because that was a lot of food. So now fast forward to the next day. We are in Los Angeles, California, preparing for our trip in Hawaii. We're gonna be in Hawaii for a week filming, and we're going to the studio to prepare everything we need. So this is what the day is gonna look like. So the ride to Burbank is always nice, and soon I arrived to the studio. We finally made it. So then I began editing. When I got to the studio, I had a nice cup of tea. This is some peppermint with some agave added in it, really good. This is the gear that we're gonna take to Maui. So I began unpacking it so that we can see what's all in there, see how fast we're gonna pack it when we get to Maui. So the process was a really smooth process. We knew that we was gonna nail it when we got to Maui. And once we got all the speakers set up, got all the backdrop set up, everything good, then it was time for me to go out and grab something to eat. On the way to go get some food. Starving. Let's get it. Hey, question. Is there a shawarma place around here? Shawarma. Is there a shawarma food place here? Yeah. Okay. All right, thank you. It's right here, bro. Man, I just want some food, bro. I just want some shawarma, man. Like, bro. All I want. And while I was ranting about my food, somebody was coming up to my car asking me some questions. What's up? No. It's all good, bro. He was cool. He just thought I was his Uber, which I wasn't. I was walking up to the car. He was like, Uber. I'm like, no. Not at all. Woo, 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 woo. Now I hope the shawarma is good, bro. Because what it's looking like, it looked like I might get some serious food poisoning. It could be hot or cold, bro. Hot or cold. Let's see. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I mean, it's right next to a gas station. Let's see. Yeah. Gotcha. All right, thank you. You too. I did not get no shawarma from this place. You're not supposed to sell pork at a shawarma spot. They don't eat pork out there, bro. They don't. That threw me off. I ain't gonna lie. Now, I'm honestly mad now because I really wanted one. For those of y'all who don't know, I don't eat pork. I never have. Well, I mean, I accidentally ate some before, but I was always grown up to never eat pork because it has just no good health benefits. And I do not want. Now, a lot of y'all might disagree. I don't want mixed meats. I don't believe in having mixed meats in the same spot, especially from a place that shouldn't be selling pork. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we about to go get some California rolls. I'm starving, man. I could turn something up. Man, I really wanted it. So damn. So although I didn't get the shawarma that I wanted, I did go get some California rolls. All right, so now we are going to get some sushi. I'm not getting no raw fish, but I am getting some California rolls. That's where we at. I am starving, bro. They played me. This is it. Go to parking level. Dang. Bro, what's going on today, man? Damn. All right. Yes. Now this is where I want to be. Y'all gotta see this. This place is nice. For those of you who haven't been to Burbank, I highly recommend coming here. It has a ton of hidden gems. Nice. Oh. Hello. A piece of the crunchy California roll. I'll take a popcorn shrimp roll. I'll take a baked salmon. I'm gonna go for the Dynamite Bay. And this is all to go. Thank you. Yep, this place is fire. Shout outs to Sushi Stop. And then it was time to head back to the studio. For those of you who don't know, I love listening to Nujabes. He's one of my favorite artists, man. Rest in peace to him. Rest in peace to him, man. He pioneered lo-fi music, and every single time I listen to his tracks, it's amazing. So then we head back to the studio, and I finally get to eat the food that I've been wanting all day. We did some mic tests for Maui, and that was honestly the end of the day. We wrapped up everything, and as you can see, we packed up everything, put it right back into the suitcases it came in, and it's time to leave. So we shut down everything at the studio to get prepared for our trip in Maui. Now let me give you a little sneak peek. Maui was amazing. The food was good. The views were beautiful. I'll show you guys in the next vlog. But until then, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see y'all next time. Yak Academia is my editing training program where I teach you guys everything I know step by step on how to edit videos and so much more. Start your free 30-day trial at yashuakhan.com/Yak Academia. Just tap the Linktree link in any one of my social media bios to get started. I'll be seeing y'all there.